What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we out here at Darlington Dragway for it's called a streetcar shootout. They normally hold it here or at Rockingham Dragway. I entered in the 11.0 index. I'm gonna try to sandbag it, and I know, shame on me. And I also entered in the under 140 class. So we just took Blueberry on its first test hit. I didn't record it. I was just trying to make a hit to get some data. I got here right at like 10:50. And I think they're about to start the announcement for the eliminations right now. So
please get in lanes 1 and 2. Go ahead and get in your car and get in lanes 1 and 2. Less than 140.
oh, so that's me. I'm up. I brought the suction mount. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the car where it's visible to see the next car in the lane. There's a lot of competition out here. The car trapped 131 on the first hit because I hit the limiter in 4th gear. Well, I ran out of gear, I should say. So
Greater than 140, lanes 3 and 4.
So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, suit up, head to the lanes, and go try to make some passes. Let's go rounds. All right, guys, so second round is underway. I lucked up and I drew the bye, so I don't have to make a hit. So I'm just gonna let the car cool down, and when these guys come back, they're gonna do another round of the 140 and up class, because those two guys, I guess one guy jumped another guy, and then they're gonna go in the second round, and then I'll be in third round. So I believe, let's see, there's 5 cars left. I have to buy 2 are running. Well, 2 pairs are running now, so that means 2 cars that come back, somebody else will get a buy, and I don't think we can draw the buy twice. So I end up running somebody. Hopefully it's not that black Hellcat, because I know he's faster than 140, but he's gonna sandbag the class, because that's what he did to Christian the last time. So hopefully I can either A, jump out on him, surprise him, and make him overrun his car, or B, just plain outrun him. So like I thought was gonna happen, GTR takes me out. So that is the end of the 140 below class. Blueberry did really well. He got out on me about 2 cars, and we just kept the same distance. He tried 138, I tried 136, which is freaking awesome for this car, because 1 mile an hour off of what I wanted to trap. So we are going to put slicks on the car, and well, slicks on the front. I got to raise the front up about 1 inch, and then we're gonna go and do some drag racing. So I am in the 11.0 class. Like I said before, I'm gonna sandbag it because I'm a piece of shit, and I just want to have fun out here and just go around. So we'll see what we can do out here. Alright guys, so I did not enter the 11.0 index class because you need to be on a street tire, and I wasn't going to waste my time or the car on trying to win the index class because I'm not going to stress the motor out. So me and Christian are about to get it in. It's about to be 2013 again. You got Blueberry versus the Myth, all-wheel drive versus front-wheel drive.
You've always been in the hatch.
Yeah, always been the hatch, and it's always against this car. Last time we raced the car was a different color. The last time we raced on the street, you got your ass busted. No, it was orange when we raced at here a couple years ago. It was orange. Yeah, but when we raced on the street and I bust your ass, it was that color. Non-driving ass motherfucker.
The hell out of it.
So we about to go get this thing in. We got waiting this long ass line out here.
Yeah, we're probably here for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, we're probably gonna be here for like 30 minutes. So I'm just letting this thing warm up because it takes like
I need to put a damn hood
an hour for it to damn warm up.
I need to put a hood or something. So that's Morris too. I know Morris. It was a fucking eighth of a tank.
Yeah, your shit looks weak.
You got a red lip.
Get in the highway. Get in the highway.
The boy think he got to cut a light against me, so he red lights.
He damn sure did.
1,000th of a second.
All right, so me and Christian lined up, and this dude don't never put gas in his car before he comes to the track.
My sending unit is bad. Okay,
and
this has its flaws.
Shut up, we gotta listen.
Broken axle.
You got a busted
mid hit.
You got a busted transmission. Hell.
Mid hit.
Y'all got a brontosaurus.
Broke a rear axle. So I called all the parts store locally, and nobody has an axle. So Christian wants me to put the car in front wheel drive, but I'm not wasting my time doing it because I have to take everything out of the damn car to do that.
Come on, it's not that bad.
No, it's terrible. No, I'm not doing that.
This motherfucker with his Flintstone ass fucking chicken.
What
leg.
is that? A turkey leg?
He got that Fred Flintstone shit.
This man just pulled a whole turkey leg out of his damn car.
For real, Fred Flintstone.
What's that damn?
This skin is tough as fuck.
That's no good?
Damn Brontosaurus leg.
The skin ain't no good? Let me get a piece of that skin.
Get the fuck out of here. No, that's just like shoe leather.
Let me try that. I like it.
I'm gonna be chewing that shit to the damn staging lanes.
That's jerky there.
And then down the track.
Goddamn Brontosaurus, boy.
I'm gonna go find somebody else's shit to drive. No. That looks disgusting.
You don't like the red meat? You know what it looked like.
Everybody at home is throwing up right now.
Everybody at home?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Stop.
You gotta demonetize.
This is the damn PG
You're gonna
channel.
get me demonetized.
Even though we cuss like crazy on the channel.
No. The guidelines is you can't cuss the first 30 seconds of your video.
I cuss. I start the video out with, hey motherfucker.
And you still get paid?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's right.
I get my 10 cent
10 cent.
a video.
Barely.
Yeah.
So I feel I don't want to put it in front wheel drive mode to get, you know what, fucked up.
No. Bruh, again, I just bought this. How?
Not the Acuity.
How does it keep happening?
Chris, not the last Acuity.
Not the Acuity.
Yo, this is like shoe leather.
All right, I'm done driving this car.
Let him. It's shoe leather, Chris. You can't spit it out.
That's sick. Right here, really? Right here, really?
Shit nasty.
You know what?
Can't even chew that shit.
No, show it one more time. Just a good piece right here.
That's the tip.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I love them brown tips.
You want to drive Myth again?
Is it gonna kill me this time?
Are you gonna learn how to drive? Because
I drove it last time.
that car's
You
never
almost put it in
done.
the wall last time.
When have you ever seen me?
Yeah, let me drive it. I'm gonna put my gas in there so I can drive it. So at least I get to make a hit.
Well, let me get a PB real quick.
Here comes Daryl. So y'all seen Daryl's car on the channel last year, and we're out here at the track with him right now too. Also, so I do a little feature on him. We'll see where he went. I'll probably end up driving the car too. So. Good? Yeah. Where'd it go?
I know, I ain't ready, young brother.
Oh, we thought you made a hit.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a helmet?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, I broke a rear axle, so yeah, I'm done. You need some help?
I'm fine.
All right. Well, I'll go up there whenever you go. You going up there now?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't go this way. You gotta go down that road. I'll walk this way and I'll just meet you up there. Oh shit, you know what? They closed the lane because they about to fucking do the damn little classes, and then they're gonna open it back up. Alright. So, recap of the night. I'm currently about 45, 50 minutes out of the house. The day was fun, I would say. So the last hit you guys see, Christian persuaded me to put the car front wheel drive. We put it front wheel drive, and there's a pin that goes in the shifter box. And when I went to, Christian gave me the hit because he can 1-2 his car very fast. I can't. So when I went to go put the car in third, the pin fell out of the damn shifter box, and I missed third gear, which is very rare for me to miss third gear in that car, because you literally just push your palm on the shifter from second and then it glides into third. So everything doesn't always go as planned every time you go to the track. I didn't plan on breaking the rear axle, nor did I plan on missing third gear. But the car went 1140 at 133 miles an hour. So we're just gonna let the mile an hour speak for itself. Christian went PB on that pass. He went 1030 on at 138. I believe his car has gone 140 before. He's got his short track down to 670, and this is on this. We're on the same identical turbo kits, so they're both budget kits. Both 67, 62s, literally the same $3,000 kit that I've been trying to sell people that they believe that they need to spend $5,000 to $6,000 on a stupid ass Humble Performance budget kit to go the same damn times. I mean, Christian drove his car 30, 40 minutes to the track, and he made about 3 or 4 hits. He put his street tires back on his car and he drove it home. So you don't have to buy a bunch of baller shit to be fast. You really just need a good tune and just being able to drive your damn car. So if you put the right things together, they don't necessarily always have to be the most expensive things. You can have a super solid setup. And I mean, his car sits the same as Blueberry, except for Blueberry's all-wheel drive. But, well, it's front-wheel drive now, but stock motor, stock trans. And surprisingly, he's on a comp stage 4 single disc clutch. He's not even on a twin disc, like Blueberry's on twin disc, but you gotta put twin disc on the damn all-wheel drive car. But and maybe his car's on like 23 pounds. I know on 26 or 27 pounds it made like 630, so it probably makes like 580 horsepower right now. We won't be racing Blueberry anymore. I really just took it to the track today to try and put a load on the mount with the slicks, and obviously the weakest link showed, which was the axle. I mean, because they are part store axles, they're literally like this thin. I should have took a video or a picture of how the axle turned out when it came out. But, yeah, so we're gonna work on trying to get some stronger axles in the car. We're gonna work on changing the rear trailing arms. We're gonna put a CSS K20 motor in there, and I'm going to change the first and second gear in the trans to an EP3 gear set. So that should help out with the 60-foot lot, which you really just gonna be road racing the car anyway, so the 1-2 won't matter. But if the first gear is longer, he can have that extra jump out if he can start from like a first gear 40-year-old. As always, guys, comment, like, share, subscribe. If you're interested in a budget kit, holla at me. I'll have the Hippo shirts in stock here after this video is released. So if you want to go to the store, grab you some merch. And Hippo videos are coming soon. I've been flipping enough Honda shit to where I'll be able to take 2 weeks off of work. So 1 week I'll be going to Disney World with my kids, and the next week after that it'll be nothing but Hippo content. So I'll be grinding on that car non-stop to at least get it fired up. Thank you guys for your support. Thanks for checking in. Like I said before, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.